Hello guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can remove pattern or password from your infinix hot 50. For that, first you have to power up your phone, then press and hold power plus volume up keys simultaneously. Power plus volume up keys. Now when the infinix logo appears, release power key while keep holding on to the volume up key until the no command page comes up. Then press power plus volume up key again for the recovery menu. Now here in recovery menu, use volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. Select wipe data, then select factory data reset, and all the data on your phone will be completely gone. Now after that, select reboot system now and your phone will restart. After the restart, it will take some time to load up, so you have to wait for it. Then tap on next, select your country, select your language, and set up your phone from here on. After completing this setup, you will be able to use your phone normally again, and the pattern from your phone will be removed.